how to make Word document single spaced. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your Word document single spaced. So first things first, open up your MS Word document, and then what you need to do is you have to select the paragraph and go to the arrow option. It says line and paragraph spacing. Go ahead and tap on it, and you can increase or decrease the spacing. So like it's set to 2, so 1.5 decreases it a bit, 1.15 decreases it more, and then 1 means it is only single spacing. So you can even go to line spacing options, and then here you can see that it is set to single. So double looks like this. So if you want to change it to single, you can go there again, tap on line spacing options, and then tap on the drop down, and then tap on single and tap on OK. And that's it. This is how you change your MS Word document to single space. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, everyone.